Okay, welcome back to the part 2 for the Tesla solar panel charging. As you guys can see, I put 500-watt solar panels and it's on the charging right now. It's on the green. I'll show you from inside. Yes, so that's the battery. Still have 12 point, it's still on a 12 volt. It's not gonna charge since the power is going live to the charging. And yes, that was it pretty much. Show you how it looks like. It don't look that bad, but if you want, you can install one more that is gonna come to all the way to the front, since you have a lot of space if you want to have a fast charging. But either way, that's still fine to me. Yep, you don't take that space at all. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any question or anything, leave it in a comment below. Thank you.